Alright guys, we don't normally get you a video from this side of the road very often. Over here at the commercial location, stuff is always coming and going in and out of here. But this 62 Impala, super nice record going out to be delivered to a customer. 62 Impala. This car came from one of our local customers. He has a pretty large collection, and unfortunately, due to him opening multiple businesses recently, he has not had time to enjoy them. So this car has just been sitting. The things that we know he did to the car were the disc brakes, the tire and wheel package, and he added AC a few years ago. So pretty cool looking stance to this car. All the stainless and chrome is intact, extremely bright. Body lines are very clean. Tires and wheels fit it just right. All the glass is good. Interior of the car is absolutely era correct. As far as I know, I'm not from the 60s, but from what I can definitely know from the few we've had, this is what it should look like. Very, very nice laid out interior, carpet's in good shape. I think that's an updated stereo, but still old school looking. AC vents, controls, steering wheel, and the dash components are all stock. Underside of this car is very nice also. We have had it up on the rack. Now, whether this car was a factory power steering, power brake car from the factory, I don't know, but it is currently. Has the stainless master cylinder, power brake booster, proportioning valve, lines are fresh, chrome alternator, power steering pump, aluminum radiator, still has a little glass GM overflow bottle, AC compressor, Optima battery, Edelbrock carburetor, Edelbrock air cleaner, small block engine of course, condenser, even still has the felt under the hood. Body lines look pretty darn good. Front bumper to chrome is incredible. That's bound to have been re-chromed. But good straight body, nice body lines. Again, this is not a Barrett Jackson car, but it is a great driver. And looks good up on the rack, from what my guys tell me. Tires and wheels probably have 500 miles on them. He did take the car to a couple shows, but that was about it. I'd call this a great driver, great cruising car. And no reason you could not take it to a car show. Very, very nice looking Impala. All the seals, door jambs. Pretty clean for what these cars typically look like for this price point anyway. Now, probably could find a cleaner one for 100,000, but for this price point, pretty good car. It's not flawless, but fit and finish is great. I think I noticed one or two rock chips around it somewhere, but not too much to pick on. Oh, there's one of the rock chips right there. But a cool car. Somebody will get a very nice ride with this. Again, from it being sitting, I always tell people you may do a tune-up, a fuel filter, some fresh fuel. You know, fuel sucks these days, so sometimes might have to clean the carburetor a little bit. But aside from that, it's running, driving, AC working at this moment. Car, we had one we sold, shipped to a customer, and he was not a car guy. He called a couple days later and just going absolutely nuts, complaining. Said we overfilled the oil and it was smoking and running like crap, and we knew it had a problem. So finally I calmed him down. I said, look, do you have any car guys, buddies, friends, whatever? I said, I can tell them what's wrong with the car. And it actually was a truck, but he said, sure. So anyway, got his buddy over there. Lo and behold, needle and seat stuck, flooded the motor, got the fuel into the oil, so that's why it was over full. Was smoking and running like crap because it was flooded out. And anyway, he apologized. Simple fix, and it happens, you know, especially with older fuel and older cars. It's gonna happen. So if you looking for a cool car, that one doesn't suit you, check some of our other ones. Davis4x4.com. Happy to help you any way we can.